Namaste, खुश रहो बेटिया. I, Jabian Varsha Singh from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Our today's topic of the session is we will cover in this session IDE for PHP. IDE is the program where it allows to write the PHP codes, right? And it provides some syntax for PHP, and it makes easy to write PHP code and it saves time. So what is a PHP IDE? So a PHP IDE is a program that allows you to easily write PHP codes. PHP IDEs are often equipped with the syntax highlighting features and in some case autocomplete features too. This means that if you write a PHP keyword that is known by the PHP interpreter, then the keyword will be highlighted a different color from the one used for regular statement. Right, so the autocomplete features automatically pops up known as PHP keyword as you type them. Notepad can also be used to write and editor PHP code, but this is the advantage using an editor such as Notepad is that debugging the script becomes difficult because it is not easy to spot error such as misspelled keywords, unclosed braces. An ID will highlight the statement with error, so it's easy for you to spot them. So here is the table for some popular PHP editor. The first one is your NetBeans IDE. Its license is open source. It's also cross-platform IDE. It is dedicated for fully PHP environment, and it supports the integration with PHP MVC framework and the code history that shows the changes made to a file, SFTP, FTP, and SVN via plugins. The second editor is your Dreamweaver. License is commercial and it's also cross platform, and it supports the HTML and PHP also. Syntax highlighting, code folding, and completion for keywords and other known information, and it supports SFTP and FTP. The third editor of PHP is Zend Studio. It's also a commercial and it is also a cross platform. It is integrated with the Zend server and Zend PHP, MVC framework, PHP unit, PHP documenter, etc. It has syntax highlighting, code folding support for web services. The fourth one is your PHP Eclipse, which is also open source and cross platform, and its code forward supports SVN, SSH, and FTP. The Notepad is also is useful for PHP editor, and it is a freeware. Its cross platform is only Windows support. It's a syntax highlighting, support SFTP and FTP via plugin. Right. So NetBeans IDE PHP editor, as briefly highlighted in the above table, NetBeans IDE has powerful features that enhance the productivity of PHP coders. The IDE can be freely downloaded from this is the link. Its a feature is it support MySQL natively. You don't need to use two programs to code and develop your database. The IDE can be used in a collaborative environment. This comes in handy when you have to work with other developers as a team. The IDE has support for other languages such as Java, AC, Java EE, C, and C++. Thank you, class. This is all about this session. I hope you like my session. If any query regarding this session, please comment below. This digital session version 2.0 provided by Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University.